Hey guys, today we're going to be playing with Flarp putty, and we're gonna be making bubbles. I say it is really simple. So let's get started. First, you can play with it. Start playing with it so it gets a little mixture. So yeah. That's what you do. It gets a little mixture of when you play with it. Just let it get a little mixture. Let it get a little mixture. Little mixture, little mixture. Okay, so I think mine's got a little mixture, so then you do this, you flatten it. Flatten it. Just keep on flattening it. Okay, it is flattened. So now you stretch it out, but very carefully, because it might go apart. So you stretch it. It is stretching. It is, I think, completely stretched, I guess. Let me check. Any holes? One tiny one. Good. I'll show you. That's how you stretch it out. You stretch it out like this. Make sure there's not any holes. If there is, cover it. Like, pretend there's a hole right here, and then we cover it like that. Okay, so we lift it up like that, and then 1, 2, 3. Yep, we did it. So this is the bubble we made. It is very cool. You're gonna watch me play with the bubble. If you got Flarp noise putty, do this, and you can have a bubble to play with. Just wobble it. It's very wobbly. So it don't fall apart that easily. It is very easy to. It is very fun to play with. If you heard that, that was my little brother. So. My little brother. He's only, how old is he? I don't know. I forget. So that is how you make a bubble with Flarp noise putty. Bye!